Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. Today's video is going to be the final update of not using any beard products for a month. The final update is actually really simple. I'm just never gonna do this ever again. The way that my beard feels right now, I'm just very not happy with it, and my beard definitely is thirsty for some oil. So we're gonna put some in. One of the questions that I've been asked a lot recently is what is going to be the first company that I put in. I did mention in my last video, but it's going to be the Beard Baron. I do have a couple products from the Beard Baron that I have not reviewed yet. The first oil is this Boardwalk, and the scent blend for this one is grape, lemon, and lime. It is a very sweet scent. The next one is the Mojave, and the scent blend for this one is cedar, orange, and grapefruit. So I asked my girlfriend which one she wanted me to use for the purpose of a review, and she chose the Mojave, and that's what we're gonna put in. Now I have found in the past that I'm a little bit allergic to cedar, so hopefully, but I mean, I haven't reacted to it every single time, so hopefully this time I don't get a reaction. But we're gonna put some in right now with you guys. This is gonna be so good. Oh my god. A full month of not putting anything in. I am so happy to share this moment with you guys. Oh my god. Honestly, usually when I put this much oil from the palm of my hands into my beard, if I put too much, it does end up being kind of sticky, and like, I don't know if you can tell, but like there's like no oil left on my hands at all. Like this, my beard just soaked every single drop of it in. She's a thirsty one. So that's it, guys. If you're ever wondering, like, do you even need beard oil? You're gonna definitely notice a difference if you use beard oil versus not using beard oil. If you're someone who's had a long beard and you've never used beard oil, yeah, you might find that, okay, well, I'm used to my beard feeling this way, I'm not itching, there's like really no reason for me to use the products. Well, when you do start using beard oil, you will notice that there is a big enough difference that yes, your beard does want the beard products. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. So I asked my girlfriend which one she would prefer for me to use for the purpose of a review.
Perfect.